Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, channel the viewers. In front of me POCO X5 Pro device, and now I can show you how to recover removed photos and videos from recycle bin. So, as you can see here I have two photos, and now I will remove it. So, photos was removed, but during 30 days after removing we can recover these photos and videos. And to do it, choose albums, choose trash bin, choose photos and videos you want to restore and click restore. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.